Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. On Tuesday, OpenSea announced that it will be integrating Layer 2 scaling solution Polygon into its support protocol implementation. After several months of observing support's impact and collection valuable feedback, we're excited to introduce Polygon support in the coming months. We will be adding support for Clayton and other EMV compatible chains as well. The leading NFT marketplace followed up the announcement with a tweet hinting at what users should expect from the integration. OpenSea made the switch to support protocol in June. The migration was implemented to tackle high Ethereum gas fees and bypass the need for new users to pay an account initialization or setup fee. As reported by BTC Pairs, the open source Web3 marketplace protocol would allow OpenSea users to save up to 35% on Ethereum gas fees. Audited by Web3 security firms OpenZeppelin and Chair of BTC, the protocol was first launched on Ethereum, helping create a more further-rich experience for the OpenSea community. While lowering the cost to use Web3 Marketplace and the time, OpenSea estimated that the shift would save 49 million in total fees per year. The firm opined that the support on Polygon would ease the implementation of several other new features on Polygon, including collection and attribute overs, no listing thresholds, multiple creator points, and bulk transfers. The main attraction among the new features is the ability to use the native token of the Polygon network, Matic to list and buy on OpenSea. As part of the shift to support, OpenSea now supports using Matic Polygon's native token as a payment option. Anyone transacting on Polygon using OpenSea will now be required to pay for their own gas fees for transacting using Matic OpenSea said. Proof, the company behind the Moonbird NFT collection, has announced their plans to launch their own token, as well as a new series of Moonbird NFTs called the Mythics. For this reason, the company has raised 50 million, mostly sponsored by the Aziz Crypto Venture Capital. Moonbirds and fetus to be completely in-chain. Usually, to store a non-fungible token NFT, a user has to store it in an off-chain service profit. For instance, Coinbase Wallet, the Proof company is set to change that as their new approach is to store the NFTs inside the smart contract. If the images are stored in the smart contract itself, it might solve a lot of security issues for the NFT community. This was revealed during the Future Proof online conference on August 30, as revealed by Harry Thomas, the director of product at the Rose that grew from Concrete. Kevin Ross, the co-founder of Proof, has a lot to celebrate today as the funding round is completed. It's great to have this vote of confidence from some of the most respected investors in Web3, as well as capital to keep delivering great products and service as we mature this business over the long term. Moreover, Kevin Ross got praise from the world's richest man and an adamant Dogecoin supporter Elon Musk apparently must started using a healthy and well being up for pasting the zero, which was developed by Rose. Okay guys, maybe that's all from me. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.